Oh boy, my house is almost ready. Just have to go get some wool to make a bed. Oh boy, oh boy, my house is ready. Oh.
Can I have destroying Whitey Johnny plays his life? Let's see what that Whitey Johnny plays is up to.
Now Catdooki will never be able to steal my diamonds now that they're hidden up on the island.
We'll see about that, bozo.
I can't believe Catdooki made all my diamonds scatter across the world and I have to go find some more. Oh my gosh, that gravel scared me.
Finally! My house is all done.
Let's see what type of trouble we can cause today.
Oh my gosh, what just happened to my house?
Bye-bye!
Wait a minute. I know what this is. Catdooki, you're not that smart. Catdooki. Well, I gotta go to the Nether now if I want to go to the end and beat the Ender Dragon. This has to stop right now! Ooh, what's this? Wait, is this Catdooki's secret base? What? He stole my diamonds and my netherite. Catdooki! Let's blow this to smithereens.
5 hours later.
Where is Catdooki? Why is he not coming back to this base of his?
What can I do today to cause some trouble? I know what I can do.
No, Catdooki! Don't do that! Please don't put that. Catdooki, you're so freaking annoying! Ooh, what's this? An old abandoned structure under the ground? Definitely not spooky. What was that thing?
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
That's where I saw Catdooki.
That doesn't matter. I'll go see what it was.
Catdooki? You okay? Oh, it was all just a dream. Oh, come on, Catdoo! Why is the ground shaking? That was wrong. Catdoo! What's this? A giant hole? Let's jump down. Oh, so this is how Catdoo has been doing all his magic tricks. With a tricky old command block. Oh look, an old book. The Mystical Mist. What, be banned forever? I guess I'd better not get hit by his magic. Oh look! I can defeat him with water. I better keep that in mind. Wow, I can't believe it was that easy. After all this time, Catdoo's finally gone. Oh my gosh, all the memories I've had on this world. They've all so many memories. Wait a minute. These are terrible memories. Why am I remembering them? They have Catdoo in them. I think I'll just start a new world and start fresh without Catdoo. Let's just click create new world. And let's just choose a random seed and call it No Catdoos Allowed. Well, here we go. Smell that air. Catdooki fresh air.